Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious caramel sauce at home. First, gather your ingredients: 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of water, and 1/2 cup of heavy cream. You'll also need 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Having everything measured and ready before you start is key for a smooth process. This preparation ensures you can move quickly when the caramel is cooking. Now, let's start cooking. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine your 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1/4 cup of water. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring gently until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. Once it comes to a boil, stop stirring. Allow the sugar syrup to cook undisturbed until it transforms into a beautiful, rich amber color. This usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Once your sugar reaches that perfect amber, immediately remove it from the heat. Carefully and slowly pour in your 1/2 cup of warm heavy cream while continuously stirring. Be cautious, as the mixture will bubble up quite vigorously. After the cream is incorporated, add the 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Keep stirring until the butter is completely melted and the sauce becomes wonderfully smooth and uniform. This creates that luscious, creamy texture. To finish, stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This adds a lovely depth of flavor to your homemade caramel sauce. Once it's fully combined, carefully pour the warm caramel into a heat-proof jar or container. Let it cool completely at room temperature before covering and storing it. It will thicken as it cools. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals. This delicious sauce is perfect for desserts or coffee.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.